Welcome to Electric Power Engineering, best cable tray manufacturer in Pakistan. Discover superior strength with our GI perforated cable trays, only from Electric Power Engineering. Powder-coated cable tray. Choose durability with Electric Power Engineering's powder-coated cable trays, built to last. Ladder cable tray. Secure your cables with our robust ladder cable trays, exclusively at Electric Power Engineering. Solid bottom cable tray. Protect your cables with Electric Power Engineering's solid bottom cable trays for complete coverage. Mesh cable tray. Experience flexibility and ventilation with our mesh cable trays, by Electric Power Engineering. Contact on given number. Visit our website for more details: www.epepk.com.